Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Imagined Dragons is probably one of the most iconic and influential bands in modern music, known for their electrifying live performances and anthemic hits that have dominated charts worldwide, captivating audiences with their unique blend of rock, pop, and alternative influences, making them a must-see for any true music enthusiast looking for an unforgettable concert experience filled with energy and passion. Number 5. Unravel Me, Shatter Me Book 2. The Shatter Me series continues with Unravel Me. Dive back into Juliet's world as she navigates love and war. Juliet's powers are growing, but so are the dangers around her. Can she trust those closest to her? In the midst of a rebellion, Juliet finds herself torn between two worlds and two men. Her choices will shape the future. The resistance is building, and Juliet is at its heart. She must decide where her loyalties lie and what she's willing to sacrifice. As secrets are revealed, the true nature of her abilities and the world around her comes into focus. The stakes have never been higher. Experience the next thrilling installment of the Shatter Me series. Unravel Me will keep you on the edge of your seat. What we like. If you're looking for a deeply emotional and character-driven story, this is the one. It explores complex feelings and personal growth. If you enjoy intense romantic tension and a protagonist's journey of self-discovery, you should consider this. What people say. Juliet is such an amazing character, which only became more apparent in Unravel Me. She's always at war with herself as she tries to suppress a staggering amount of power. Not only is her touch deadly, but she has the ability to destroy anything with a mere touch. Yet, she doesn't want to have this power, she'd rather hide it and pretend to be an ordinary unassuming girl. The interaction between Warner and Juliet is wild in this book. It covers the entire range of emotions and even physical discoveries. Discoveries that are both a blessing and a trial in one, at least from Juliet's point of view. Tahira Mafi is a wonderful writer and I doubt she could write a dud if she tried. Number 4. Restore Me Shatter Me Series 1 Book 4. The Shatter Me series returns with its 4th installment. Prepare for a new chapter in Juliet's story. The world is still a dangerous place, and Juliet's powers are a constant threat. Can she find a way to control them? Juliet's relationships are pushed to their limits. Trust is a fragile thing in a world of deception. She must make impossible choices to protect those she loves. The fight for freedom is far from over. Discover the next evolution of Juliet's power. This is Restore Me. What we like. For those who have followed the series, this offers a crucial conclusion and character resolution. If you want a satisfying ending that ties up loose ends and provides closure, you should consider this. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, with clear highs and deep bass. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 10 hours on a single charge. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into any room decor. Number 3. Bedwina Mini Dragon Toy Figures, 36-pack. Get ready for adventure with this pack of 36 mini dragon toys. Each one is about 2 inches and comes in a variety of fun colors and styles, perfect for little hands. These little dragons are designed with great detail to inspire imaginative play. They're perfect for storytelling, school projects, or just letting their creativity soar. Planning a fantasy-themed party. These make fantastic cake toppers and party favors. Kids will love taking them home as a fun keepsake. Made from high-quality, non-toxic plastic with a rubbery feel, these figures are built to last. They're safe for kids and perfect for all sorts of party activities. Use them as cake toppers, prizes, or to fill up goodie bags. They're a versatile addition to any celebration or creative project. We want you to be completely happy with your purchase. If you're not satisfied with these dragon party favors, we'll make it right for you. What we like. If you need a large quantity of small, fun toys for an event, this is a great choice. They are perfect for party favors, decorations, or even as cupcake toppers. If you're planning a dragon-themed party or need a variety of colorful, engaging small toys, you should consider this. What people say. The little dragons exceeded my expectations. They are the perfect size to go on top of a cake or cupcake. However, they are also the perfect size to play with, and they went flawlessly with the dragon castle that I ordered with it. My grandson absolutely loved it. Shared and traded dragons with several of his friends at school, and he really enjoys the castle. The colors are vibrant and the detail on the dragons is outstanding. They are more durable than I anticipated. I highly recommend these dragons and the dragon castle. Nice little dragon figures. All are able to stand. Some wings and tiny legs are a little bent, but look okay. They are dark solid colors. All are between an inch and 2 inches tall. A mis Sabrinas de 4y6 años les han encantado, esta Navidad han preparado batallas de dragones y lo han pasado muy bien con ellas. Son lo suficientemente resistentes como para aguantar su poco peso, se sentaron por accidente en alguna. Son lo suficientemente grandes y puntiagudas como para que la pequeña no quiera metercielas en la boca, podría, que lo he visto meterse coches de chiquit. Pesan lo suficientemente poco como para que al tirárselas la una a la otra no se hagan daño, salvo que tengan la malísima suerte de que lo de en un hoyo, pero eso no pasó afortunadamente. Y son lo suficientemente numerosas, 5 de cada tipo, creo, y hay 6 o 7 tipos, como para que no se peleen por tener una en concreto. Number 2. LEGO NINJAGO Skull Sorcerer's Dragon 71721. Prepare for epic battles with this incredible dragon set. It's perfect for recreating thrilling scenes from the NINJAGO TV series. This set includes 6 minifigures, including Hero J, Kai, and Naya, ready to face the Skull Sorcerer and his awakened warriors. Roleplay exciting adventures or join the LEGO board game. The dragon itself is highly poseable with moving legs, wings, and tail. It can even fire missiles and drop spooky surprises. With 1,016 pieces, this building set offers a fun and engaging challenge for builders aged 9 and up. It's an ideal gift for any NINJAGO fan. This impressive dragon toy is perfect for play at home or on the go. The action never has to stop with this exciting set. What we like. If you enjoy detailed building and immersive play, this set is for you. It offers a challenging build with many pieces and includes minifigures for recreating epic battles. If you are a fan of the TV series and love intricate LEGO sets with lots of action, you should consider this. What people say. The movable features are awesome. It was easy to assemble. The rib cage with the spider ball is such a great addition. It came with great pieces. Lots of great articulation and detail. Schwans bewegt sich when man fliegen simuliert. Number 1. Evolve. Introducing Evolve, a revolutionary product designed to transform your experience. Discover a new era of possibilities with its cutting-edge technology. It seamlessly integrates into your life, offering unparalleled performance. Experience efficiency like never before with its intuitive design. Crafted with your needs in mind, it provides a personalized and user-friendly interface. Enjoy a product that adapts to your unique workflow. Unlock your true potential with its advanced features and capabilities. This is more than just a product, it's a catalyst for your success. Step into the future with Evolve. Embrace innovation and redefine what's possible in your daily life. What we like. If you're seeking a game that offers deep strategic gameplay and unique mechanics, this is a strong contender. It provides a fresh experience with high replayability. If you enjoy games that challenge your decision-making and offer different paths to victory each time, you should consider this. What people say. To say that I listen to it on repeat would be an understatement. I am in love with this CD and the great songs. Imagine Dragons continues to be a band with substance, great lyrics, and catchy beats and hooks. My kids have a CD player in their room and this is their favorite CD. They listen to it on repeat and it's so comforting that it's kid-friendly lyrics. Great buy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.